Good morning, guys. Tyler from ACI back with another video. We're heading off to the shop. Justin's going to be finishing up that C8, so I'm super excited to hear that. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get to the shop. Morning, Martin.
Morning, bro. Hey.
What?
You ever heard of Triple X?
That's what Triple X means?
Triple X, baby.
Dude, that thing is loud.
Yeah, it is.
Oh my god. Hey, Fudge. Looking good, Joe. Looking good over there, Joe. Looking good, Joe.
I was like, I heard my name somewhere. Where the hell is he? Goddamn, coming out of the clouds over there.
Happy birthday, Fudge. What's happening?
Well, we got the headers in. Now I'm putting the cats on, and then we put the cat back, and then we fire this up.
It's gonna be loud. So there's one of the cats going in, and the other one's gonna go there. Wow, plugging away. Fudge, you're looking good today. You got that fresh cut.
I know it's been a while.
Sheesh.
Thank you. I look good every day.
What is he doing here?
He's helping me.
Oh, he is?
Came over.
Fudge! How we looking, Fudge? Exhaust getting on. Looking good. Whoa. B-Money Brett in the house.
Yes, sir.
Brett, tell him about the hoodies. Tell him about the hoodies.
Gosh, guys, you have to get on these hoodies. These are extremely comfortable hoodies, and these are going to go quick.
These are the Christmas limited edition ones right here.
Yes, sir. Check
Look
the
at
back of that. Give the gift of a custom car.
Bow!
Get them right now. We've got them in stock, and they're only in limited quantities, so hurry up.
Come get them.
Yes, sir.
All right, Fudge. Time to start it. We got the headers on, cats, and the new exhaust. That's nice, Fudge. Joe. A lot throatier. What do you think of that, Fudge?
I like it. I like it. It's not actually as loud as I thought it would be, so which is good because it's not obnoxious.
Right.
But it definitely got like a deeper tone to it. It's nice.
We got the heat blankets burning off.
Oh yeah, bro.
That's fresh.
You're gonna
That's fresh.
deal with that shit for a while.
Hey, Nick!
Hey, Tyler.
Oh, no. What are we working on?
We're working on this Mark IV R32.
Yeah. What are we doing to it?
We just bought it. We're giving it a complete look over. It needs, so far it needs timing chains. That's what we could see with the computer. And now we're gonna do a visual inspection.
Wow.
See that, Tyler?
What does that mean, Nick?
That's not good. Nope, that's not good. That's really not good.
Nick.
It's not good.
You know what is good?
It's my boo-boo's birthday.
How old is he? How old is he?
He's 30.
30. The big 30.
30, dirty, and flirty.
Oh.
Dirty, flirty.
Wow.
But he's married, so he's not flirting.
Still flirt with my wife.
Wow.
I flirt with you too, bud. My best. That's my
Today. Grumpy little
joke's on him. He's buying us lunch.
pequeño bicho.
Bacaño, picho, puto, maricón.
Fudge. You were in there, bro.
Don't put that.
I'm not. I didn't even film it. But you were in there, Fudge.
Yeah, I'm in there. There's no other way of getting it done. There ain't no way of getting it done. You gotta get down and deep in there, you know what I'm saying?
I hear you.
But do you hear me?
Yeah, you look clean today, too.
Dude, say it again, Tyler.
I know.
Say it again.
You did?
Just mad loud, bro. Mad loud.
Yo, where's the water pump?
Yo, you are the jack. Pick that up.
Why? Dude, you threw the box out.
Yeah, Nick threw the box out, bro.
This is the shit that I deal with. You need it.
Yo, he'll take it without the box.
I agree with Nick.
Yeah.
That's how I get in trouble.
Yeah,
Ah.
there you go, see? We don't want the new guy getting in trouble.
Wait, I gotta give Brian a hoodie.
Yo, Brian gets really upset when we draw a dick on the receipt.
Yeah, don't do that.
Dude,
He gets upset.
the ladies in accounting don't like it. About to draw a dick on the
The ladies in accounting at Valencia are hot. Bow, bow. Look at that, huh?
See ya.
Dude, that was easy as fuck.
See ya.
Let me call Brian.
Yo, it was almost as easy on a Sunday night, baby.
Well, not easy for me.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine. But you
Fudge. Birthday man Fudge, you heard?
Not a birthday boy, birthday man.
Birthday man.
Old man.
New cats are in, huh? New high flows are in. We got the new exhaust tucked under there. We're looking good. So, can we see it from out here? Oh, baby,
Who's calling me?
there's the X pipe. Who's calling? Uncle Nino. Oh, we missed the call from Uncle Nino.
I was just about to answer. I'm gonna call him back.
Call him back. He's gonna say happy birthday.
Yeah.
Light. Who took your headlight? Ah!
Shut up, Tyler.
We found your headlight, Nick. What are we working on?
I'm replacing Nate's wheel bearings.
Strapping up.
Strap on.
Strapping up.
Big mom.
And why are you replacing them?
Because they make a lot of noise.
And that's
And
bad.
he goes, oh, I just thought that was my tires. Nope. It's
Oh. That's
it's
not-
your wheel bearing, Nate.
Tell him.
Tell him why you mad. Hot 93.7.
Hey, you know what? It's Fudge's birthday today.
I know.
Where'd you get him? Oh.
What did I get him?
Yeah.
My love. And dedication. To our friendship. What'd you get?
A Switch.
You did?
I did.
I got him that.
No, you didn't. I'm taking the coat out of there. Nick. Look at Fudge. Working hard over there. On his birthday.
Jealous of my friendship.
I know.
That old guy that came here with the colors.
Simba.
Aww.
Behind the heat.
Can I have a napkin?
Aww.
No, come here.
Oh.
Oh!
Fucking wild over here.
Yo, relax.
This dude eating cake like pizza.
Yo, I'm just trying to eat, bro.
Fucking wilding out over here.
Come on, man.
Papi chula, you know?
Yo, I think it is blue, bro.
Your forehead is forever dyed blue.
Simba.
Yo, my man eating it with his claw and
I think
all.
I ate like 5 pieces.
I mean, we did pretty good for
Get out of here, Tyler.
Yo, blue's the fastest color.
They ask me what I do and who I do it for, and how I come up with this shit.